Hello everyone, my name is Akshay and welcome to my channel. I'm not a native English speaker, so pardon me for my grammar and accent. During the lesson, I might be changing my language frequently between the English and Hindi because I belong to India, but we will try to put the subtitles so that everybody can understand this lesson. आज जो हम गाना सीखने वाले हैं, ये गाना एक English song है और the reason why we are doing this lesson because we are thinking that we are going to solve a universal problem today. है ना? वो universal problem है not being able to sing while playing the chords. Why to specific this song? देखिए मुझे सही में इस song के structure से ये लगा that I can make you understand how to manage that multitasking of singing and playing chord together. So it might be a blunder, हो सकता है that's my imagination only कि मैंने ये सिर्फ सोचा और ऐसा सही में कुछ नहीं है and I complicate the whole process for you, but I really hope that doesn't happen और आप अच्छे से ये गाना सीख पाएं. We have tried a new method of teaching today. I guess in the YouTube space, nobody has tried. I have never seen anybody else to teach like this. So I'm hoping that this will be new for you. So bear with me and do let me know through your comments कि आपको ये lesson समझ में आया कि नहीं आया. First of all, let's start with the chords. अब हम सीखने वाले हैं कि इस गाने में कौन सा chord आपको use करना है. Good news is all the chords are open chords. So first of all, you have to make sure कि आप पहले chords को clean बजाने की practice कर रहे हैं and then you are trying anything else. So first chord, you will start with the A minor chord. So this is how we play the A minor chord. And we have to make sure कि इसमें 5 strings ही आप play कर रहे हैं. Okay? 6 strings should be muted. And this is how we play the A minor chord. Yeah? Next chord is going to be C major chord. तो C major chord के लिए आपको अपनी fingers को इस तरीके से place करना है. The third, middle and the index one. 5 strings again, no 6 string, 6th one. Okay? This is how we play the C major chord. Next chord is going to be G open chord. तो जो हमारा G open chord है वो कुछ इस तरीके से दिखाई देता है. This is how we play the G open chord. I use my little finger for the first string. If you want, you can use your ring finger as well. आप ring finger भी use कर सकते हो. Okay? And the final chord is going to be D major chord. This is how we play the D major chord. One thing you have to make sure कि आपका जो chord आप बजा रहे हो उसमें कोई भी string is not muted and not buzzing. Buzzing, what do I mean by that? Like let's say this sound. This is called buzzing. So we don't want this kind of sound. We want a clean sound that should be sustaining for a particular time. Okay, once you will be capable of getting this clean sound, then only you should move on to the next part. Next part is the strumming pattern. So strumming pattern is very, very simple and very straightforward. You just have to do 2 downstrokes. So this is how you'll do. On A minor, 1, 2, C, 1, 2, then G, 1, 2, then D, 1, 2. So in the process of singing a song with the guitar, the number one step would be the right chord placement. Right, by right I mean कि हमें clean और एकदम crisp chord चाहिए. No buzz, no mute. Okay. Number 2 process is getting the shifting done from one chord to another and doing the 2 strokes like 1, 2, chord change 1, 2, chord change 1, 2, chord change 1, 2 like this. एक बार आप इतना कर पाएं उसके बाद ही आप नेक्स्ट पार्ट पे जाएं, उसके बाद ही आप गाने की कोशिश करें. अदरवाइज स्टिक टू दिस प्रोसेस फर्स्ट, ट्राई टू गेट दिस डन एंड देन मूव ऑन टू सिंगिंग. ओके, सो नाउ फॉर दिस पार्ट वी आर गोइंग टू यूज अ न्यू शीट दैट यू कैन सी ऑन द स्क्रीन. इस शीट को हम कहते हैं कॉर्ड शीट एंड वी हैव ट्राइड टू ट्वीक इट इन अ वे कि आपके लिए ये और बेटर अंडरस्टैंडिंग हो पाए. तो हो सकता है कि आपने पहले भी ऐसा कुछ देखा हो. इट्स नथिंग रिवोल्यूशनरी न्यू, बट वी आर ट्राइंग टू मेक इट easier to understand how to sing and play together while using this kind of sheet. So first of all, आपको एक बार एक टेम्पो से रिलेटेड एक काउंटिंग समझनी है जो मैं अभी आपको बजा के दिखा रहा हूँ. For that we need a tempo. So for tempo I am using my phone and I am using the metronome of Guitar Tuner app. So now you can hear easily, like we can count this 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. अगर आप notice करें, between 1 and 2 there is a space. So in this song, you need to start your singing between that space. Okay. For example, if I have to say my name is Akshay, so we are going to say it on beat. So how I am going to say that? My name is Akshay. Got it? But अब अगर यही बात, यही 4 लेटर मुझे ऑफ बीट बोलने होंगे तो मैं कैसे बोलूंगा? 2, 3, start. My name is Akshay. My name is Akshay. That was on the beat. तो पहला चीज आपको ये समझना है, अभी जब शीट आप देखेंगे स्क्रीन पे, so you can see the numbers, you know, lighting the numbers like 1, 2, 3, 4. So what you need to do right now is to place your words at the right spot. So let's do it together. 2, 3, start. 1. I'm waking up to ash and dust. I wipe my brow and I sweat my rust. I'm breathing in the chemicals. So you need to understand when to say the word, when to stop. Okay. So this placement is what you have to understand. और एक बार फिर से हम लोग try करेंगे. Let's try again. 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm waking up to ash and dust. I wipe my brow and I sweat my rust. I'm breathing in the chemicals. 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm breaking in, shaping up and checking out on a prison bus. This is it, the apocalypse. So the good thing is, इस गाने में एक अच्छी बात ये है कि the words are, you know, very short and in different, I would say, small parts, not like a stretched word, like I'm waking up, nothing like that. Okay, it's I'm waking up, stop, to ash and dust, stop. So आपको बस वो placement देखना है. You have to understand this placement between the beats. Once you can do it, try to rewind the video and try to practice again. What I did with the sheet, you try it again. Okay. Now let's put the chords now. अब एक बार गाना भूल जाइए. Forget about the song. Forget about the lyrics. Now try to place the chords on the right time. So how we are going to do it? 2 downs on each chord. 1, 2. Starting with A minor. Start. 1, 2. Chord change. 1, 2. Chord change. 1, 2. Chord change. 1, 2. Chord change. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. तो अगर आप ये दोनों काम separately कर सकते हैं, if you can do both the tasks separately, then congratulations, you are very close to sing your first song. Okay, so first practice both the processes separately, like first singing with the tempo, just with the tempo. Don't worry about your voice, don't worry about the right pitch or something like that, because rhythm is primary in singing. If you are in rhythm, pitch can be done better. But if you are not in the rhythm, doesn't matter how good you are with the pitch, it won't work. So first focus on the rhythm पे focus करेंगे. And other thing you have to make sure कि आप separately practice कर रहे हैं to shift the chords in that particular tempo, so that you can, you know, shift among the chords without even thinking about them. Okay, ये दोनों काम साथ में होने के बाद now you can start singing and playing. Okay, so now I'm playing the song. You watch it clearly, carefully, read the sheet, try to sing with me. Make sure that you know you are getting where the word is coming, where the word is not coming, where the stop is. Okay, let's do it. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, start. I'm waking up to ash and dust. I wipe my brow and I sweat my rust. I'm breathing in the chemicals. I'm breaking in, shaping up and checking out on a prison bus. This is it, the apocalypse. Whoa, I'm waking up. I feel it in my bones, enough to make my systems blow. Welcome to the new age. पहले ये ध्यान रखिए कि आप इसको सही तरीके से सेपरेटली बजा पा रहे हैं, सेपरेटली गा पा रहे हैं। वन important information also, if you are reading and playing, if you don't remember the lyrics, if you don't remember the chord sequence, then it is going to be double hard for you. So make sure you have memorized the lyrics properly, आपने lyrics properly याद कर लिए हैं, and you know the chord sequence as well. Then make sure you are reading just for the right positioning, that मैंने जिस word के ऊपर chord लिखा है, you have to make sure that that particular word, on that particular word, that particular chord is landing. ओके, सॉन्ग में अलग अलग जगह पे अलग अलग तरीके से चीज़ें चेंज हो रही हैं। धीरे धीरे करके शीट के साथ कोशिश कीजिए, रिपीट इट अगेन एंड अगेन एंड देन ट्राई, एंड प्लीज थ्रू योर कमेंट्स टू लेट अस नो दैट दिस मेथड वर्क्स बेटर फॉर यू और नॉट।